Okay, so we're just gonna do a room tour of Copper Creek Villas. We have room 1151, which is on the ground floor and leads right out to the pool area. Okay, so you walk right in. This is a deluxe studio, so you can kind of just see everything straight away. But in the hallway, on the right hand side, you have a massive mirror. Hello. And this actually works as a sliding door to close the bathroom, which is really nice. And then on this side here, you just have a quick little closet with some storage, extra pillows and blankets for the sofa bed, and a safe in there. We also on the side here have an iron and an ironing board. And then you come on over to the kitchenette. So the kitchenette comes with the standard DVC Studio appliances. So you have a coffee maker, and there's some Joffrey's coffee there. And then you've got napkins, a microwave, and a mini fridge as well. And then you've got a variety of cabinets. So in this cabinet, we've got a toaster. And then at the moment, they're just doing the single-use cups just because of COVID. So they've replaced all those from actual mugs. And then up here we just have some storage for any of your goodies and an ice bucket. Moving over to the side, we have some more storage, which I absolutely love. There's like a spice rack here. I think this would be more practical in some of the 1 and 2 bedrooms where you can actually cook and use spices, but still it'll be a handy place to put some cereal. And then we've got more drawers down here. So this one's got a can opener. We've got a washing up cloth, and then again, we've got single-use silverware. So not gonna be able to wash that. And then at the very bottom is your bin. Then we've got one more cabinet over here, underneath which we have paper towels and a mini fridge just there. And then if I turn around into the bathroom, which is now open, hello again. So we've got some towels, and we've got your extendable mirror, which is always really nice, always way too close up for my comfort. And then it's just the one sink this time, so no Jack and Jill. You've got a bin down here, and then you've got some storage space underneath with extra toilet paper as well. So really nice big counter with a lot of space to put stuff. And then you've got another bathroom area here. So this is really nice because the door closes, so someone can be getting ready while someone else showers or uses the bathroom. But then in the main bit, we have a toilet here with some really nice artwork, very Pacific Northwest on theme. And then we've got the shower here with the closing doors. For anyone wondering, today is January 3rd, 2021, and they're still doing the tiny airplane-sized H2O bottles here, so they don't have the refillable ones, but they do have the super nice rain shower up here. Okay, and then there's just a towel rack on the outside of the shower. And then if we move into the actual crust of the room, it's a standard deluxe studio, so you get your queen size bed, and then you get your pull-out couch next to the queen size bed. You've just got some drawers with some space, my mask of course, and then you've got an outlet with 2 plugs and 2 USB cords. And then you also have control of the lights next to the bed, which is really nice. They've got some great artwork here as well with all of the different parts of the Wilderness Lodge. So some of the restaurants and some of the lounges. And then across from the bed, we just have like a little bench sitting area, storage area, which we have obviously stacked our stuff up with. Then a massive TV here, and again, more storage of all different sizes, which is really nice. You've got like the deep storage basket there, but then you've got some more shallow stuff for your basics. And they've gone ahead and they've sanitized and wrapped up the remote control for us, which is nice. And then of course we've got the pull-out couch and more storage here with more USB plugs and more lighting controls there. Again, kind of shallow but practical drawers there. And then just across, we've just got a little kitchenette table with a mirror. And then we're room 1151, like I've said, so our view is not spectacular. We're on the ground floor and my family's out here, but our view is just the pool right there. So you can hear the music, but you don't have a great view from up top. So that's where we're at. And then we've got, hello Mom, we've got 2 porch chairs and a little table there. So that is the whole thing. Really great for just a small group on a quick holiday, just as spacious as we really need it to be. So if you've watched this far, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed my room tour. I'll have another one coming from the boardwalk soon.